everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're here at Titterstone, Clee today on a beautiful sunny day. I think it's the first sunny day that we've had this year, so we're really going to make the most of it. This is another real stunning walk in the Shropshire hills, which actually starts basically at the summit. So there won't be a whole lot of up climbing to begin with, which maybe suits me. So let's get going. Just like that, we're at the top with the trademark giant golf ball in the background, which is actually a radar, I think, for monitoring planes and stuff. I think it was built during the war. I'm not sure it's the original one. I think the old one might have been destroyed and rebuilt, and for this one here. But you can recognise it from miles away, so you always know which hill it is. But yeah, doesn't take long at all to get to the summit. As I say, we parked basically near the top, and it's a short little incline to the top, which you'll have watched, and then we'll go back down the side of it, which you'll see in a minute. Let's keep going, shall we? So we just got into Clee and St Mary. We're sat outside Clee and St Mary Church at the moment. Beautiful spot, beautiful views in the background. Perfect spot to stop and have a sandwich, I think. During this section of the walk, I came across a sheep who had clearly embarked on an adventure of his own. Somehow, he'd escaped the field that he belonged to and ended up in a small, adjacent part of the farm. I decided that my good deed of the day would be to free the distressed sheep and hopefully guide him back to his homeland. I realised at the time I did not really state my intentions on camera, and so the only context you would have had without this description would have been this.
Hello. We're going to try and save you. What I need to know is this going to be where he wants to go? Is it actually going to help him? There's a sheep in the field, which makes me think yes. So let's go take a look. Hey pal. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. have a look at this gate. I mean, it looks openable. It is openable.
With the gate now open, I now had to figure out how to shepherd my four-legged friend towards his freedom. Although this proved difficult, and I tried everything that I could possibly think of.
How do you call a sheep?
Despite my best efforts, the poor guy was clearly too frightened to come near me. I wandered back alongside the field with the hope that me moving away would tempt him over to the open gate, but again this was not as smooth as I would have liked.
Stop.
I hopped back into the field over a rather precarious barbed wire fence and attempted to corral him back into the field which he belonged to. And eventually, he spotted the now open fence and ran back into his field, probably to tell all of his sheep friends about the heroic human that saved him from extreme peril.
Haha! Freedom! Now, did I free him into the right field? Is the next question. That's going to be a question that we don't have an answer to. I'm going to close the fence. Like that. I'm going to get out of here. And if anything today, we have just helped the sheep from freaking out. Okay, mission accomplished. So now we press back on. That was a good break actually, because this part of the walk is a little bit tedious, I'd say. Very, if I show you, marshy. If I told you the amount of times I've lost my foot in the mud, I'd have been here all day. So I've been walking in that sort of stuff, you know, quite a long time. So to have a little side quest was actually quite a nice break. You know, who doesn't love a bit of a side quest? But anyway, now back to main quest. Continuing with the walk. Cool. You were not phased at all, are you? Yeah.
So I was just coming up to the end of the walk now. I'm currently editing this video and I realised that I hadn't actually filmed an outro. Clearly I was just enjoying the walk, too much to even remember. As always, if you enjoyed, drop a like and subscribe. Hopefully there'll be lots more of this good weather coming up and we'll be able to check out some more of the UK's best walks and places to visit. So thanks again and see you in the next one.